Hi everyone, Lisa here. I have my March sampler ready to go for you. The registration is now open. In this month, it's all focused like around the garden. So I'm using the Storybook Garden Patch bundle, the stamp set, and the dies. And then some of these sayings are all printed, and they will be included in your class kit. So your class kit is going to include all the elements to make this sampler, which the elements are all the pieces. So, all the squares. The only thing I don't cut for you is the designer series paper, because you're going to get a full pack of, not a full pack, a half pack of the designer series paper so that you can create this sampler. So you'll get a half a pack of the Storybook Moments Designer Series paper. You're going to get a full pack of the faux glass dots and a bottle of the fine tip glue pen. And I'll show you why this you will need. I didn't use any ribbons. I just used the dots all over. But I don't know if you could see this. I'm trying to get all the way up in the camera without hitting anything, but I don't know if you could see the little like water dots that spots I put on there. That's the fine tip glue pen. So I have them coming out of the, trying to get in there to see if you could see it. I have them coming out of the watering can, and then look, there's little drops on the plant as well. And then I used it, I have to turn this because if I do it any other way, it's gonna hit. I kind of put some on here just to make it look like these pots, these stacked pots were wet. But it's a good feature, to have. Obviously, fine tip glue pin's good, but to do that little, to where it looks like it's wet, I think this is so cute. So again, you'll get all the elements to make this, all the cardstock, and what's not included in the bundle, like these circles, I will die cut those and put those in your class kit. You'll get the half package of paper, the package of the faux glass dots, and fine tip glue pin, all for $50. And it includes priority shipping with tracking. And if you want, you can just get, plus the PDF tutorial. So if you don't want to pay $50 and you just want the PDF, that's $15. You can add this bundle, which is $50.25, and I'll pay the tax and shipping from Stampin' Up, and I'll include it in your kit. So if you have any questions, just let me know. I'm so happy with this. It took me a while to do this one, but I'm happy with the way it came out. I love to garden, so I don't know if you do. And since last month was spring, the last month you could have used spring, Easter. This is garden. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. Take care.